stress about money that you don't even know what to do next. Like you're trying to breathe, smile, keep the house running, keep the kids happy, but you feel stuck. I get it, I really do. If you're new here, I'm Brenda, a South African mom now living in New Zealand, working full-time, raising a busy 7-year-old boy, and for the longest time I was drowning in money stress. We moved countries, and even with a job, I was still losing sleep over bills, groceries, rent, everything. I knew if something didn't change, nothing would get better. So a few months ago, I decided to try this one thing I always ignored, but was here back in my mind. Building an online income from my phone. And I found this blueprint that teaches everything, step by step. How to build your own online business in 2 hours a day. How to earn without tech skills. And how to use high demand digital products that actually sells. No experience, no following, just passive income. Learning step by step, exactly like I did. And we got over 56,000 people in this community doing the same things. Moms, ordinary people, complete beginners. So if you're a mom feeling stressed, overwhelmed, just tired of surviving, there's a way out. If you comment info, I'll show you exactly the system, the Legacy Builders program I'm using with Mom My Digital.